by the blue tit. As in other birds, the light passes directly through the skull itself to the pineal organ in the brain. This regulates the yearly clock and allows the blue tit to time its brood to the glut of caterpillars. Some birds have such an accurate time sense, they lay their eggs on the same day each year. These were laid on the 25th of May. The accuracy of the sparrowhawk's timing relies on the information from a yearly clock as well as day length. It times its brood to the summer crop of blue tits.